morning students. Today we will discuss most important theorem of chapter 6, that is BPT theorem. The full form of BPT is basic proportionality theorem. It is also known as Thales theorem. Dear students, the question asked in the board exam in two ways. First, the whole statement of the theorem is given and you have to prove it. And the theorem is given by its name and you have to first write the statement of the theorem and then prove it. So the statement of the theorem is, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Now the proof of the theorem, first we have to write what is given and what you have to prove and then start proof. Now given a triangle ABC in which DE is drawn parallel to side BC. Now you have to prove that this DE divide other two sides AB and AC in same ratio, that is AD upon DB, this is AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. So proof is in triangle ABC and triangle ADE. This is triangle ABC and this is triangle ADE. Angle B is equal to angle D. This angle B is equal to this angle D, because these two lines are parallel lines and AB is transversal, and you know when a transversal intersect two parallel lines, the corresponding angles are equal. Similarly, angle C equal to angle E. Now, by AA rule of similarity, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. The one thing you should remember, the angle D equal to angle B. Therefore, the place of B and D are same when you write the name of triangle. Similarly, angle C equal to angle E, then position of C and E are same while writing the name of triangle. Now you know, if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their sides are also equal. It means side AB of first triangle upon side AD of second triangle is equal to side BC of first triangle upon side DE of second triangle is equal to AC of first triangle and AE of second triangle. Now we can left this ratio because we have to prove ratio of AB and AC equal. Therefore we take these two ratios, because here is AB and here is AC. Now AB upon AD equal to AC upon AE. From the figure you can see clearly, we can write AB as AD plus DB, and AD remains as it is. Similarly, in place of AC you can write AE plus EC, and AE remains as it is. And now you can write this AD in the upon of AD and DB separately. So AD upon AD and DB upon AD. Similarly, AE upon AE plus EC upon AE. This becomes 1 and this also becomes 1. This 1 and 1 cancel. Now you get DB upon AD is equal to EC upon AE. Students, you know, if 2 upon 4 equal to 8 upon 16, then you can write 4 upon 2 equal to 16 upon 8. It means if two ratios are equal, their reciprocal are also equal. So taking reciprocals, AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. This is the required proof of the theorem. Thank you.